For big UK driving law changes coming November 2025, motorists must prepare now. UK drivers, listen up. For major driving law changes are coming this November 2025, and if you're not prepared, you could face fines, points on your license, or even legal trouble. From stricter phone rules to mandatory eyesight tests, smart speed limiters, and a fully digital license system, these updates are set to shake up how we drive. In the next few minutes, I'm breaking down everything you must know to stay safe and stay legal before it's too late. Welcome back to UK Pension Update, your go-to channel for staying ahead on everything that affects life in the UK, from pensions to finances, and now, driving laws that could impact your safety and wallet. Today, we're diving into 4 major UK driving law changes coming this November 2025, and trust me, every driver needs to know these before it's too late. First up, one of the biggest shifts is a crackdown on handheld mobile phone use behind the wheel. From November 2025, the law is getting even tougher. If you pick up your phone even just to unlock it, scroll through messages, or check the map while your engine is on, you could land in serious trouble. It doesn't matter whether you're stopped at traffic lights, queuing in traffic, or supervising a learner, being in control of a device counts. The penalty for this misuse? A £200 fixed fine and 6 penalty points on your license. This isn't about taking a call; even unlocking your phone or looking at your screen triggers the offence. The only times you're exempt are real emergencies, like calling 999 or 112, or paying for something with a contactless payment when your car is safely parked. So if you rely on your phone for navigation, make sure it's hands-free, mounted securely, and set up before you drive. Next, and this one is going to hit a lot of people, especially older drivers, is mandatory eyesight revalidation for drivers aged 60 and above. Under the new rules, when drivers over 60 renew their licenses, they'll need to provide a certified statement from an optician confirming they still meet the minimum legal standard for vision, including being able to read a number plate at 20 meters and demonstrating adequate peripheral vision. Whereas historically this was just a self-declaration, this update means a professional eye test is compulsory. And if you fail to submit the proof or don't meet the standards, there's a real risk that your license could be suspended or restricted. What should you do? Well, book an appointment with your optician before November arrives, get the certificate, keep the record safe, and be ready when your renewal window opens. It's a big deal, but the idea is to keep the roads safer without unfairly penalizing responsible senior drivers. Third on the list, smart speed limiter technology, or intelligent speed assist, ISA, is being made mandatory for all newly registered vehicles from mid-November. Sources say that from around 18 November 2025, any new car sold in the UK must come with ISA built in. This system uses GPS, road sign recognition, and other tech to determine the local speed limit and prevent the car from exceeding it unless the driver deliberately overrides it. So if you're driving through a 20 miles per hour zone or a complicated urban street, ISA may step in to help you stay within legal speeds. That's a game changer, especially in high-risk areas like around schools and residential neighborhoods. Critics worry it might feel like the car is taking control away from you, but proponents argue it could slash speeding-related accidents significantly. The fourth big change is a digital overhaul of the driving license system. Physical paper-based license counterparts are being phased out in favor of a fully online, digital license platform. From 1 November 2025, you'll need to manage renewals, endorsements, and medical updates through your DVLA online account or a smartphone app. This means no more postal forms or waiting on paper reminders; everything is verified digitally. That sounds efficient, but it also means you must ensure your details are up to date: email, mobile number, identity verification. Get all that sorted now. Otherwise, you risk delays or problems when renewing, especially if roadside checks need to confirm your license digitally. So that sums up the 4 big changes: stricter phone rules, new eyesight checks for over 60s, mandatory ISA in new vehicles, and the full shift to digital licenses. But what do these mean in real-world terms, and how should drivers prepare? Well, if you're someone who uses your phone in the car for calls, music, maps, you need to rethink your habits now. You'll want to invest in a decent phone mount, use voice control where possible, or seriously rely on integrated car systems. Touching your phone is about to carry real risk. If you're 60 or older, don't drag your feet and getting your eyes tested. Book that optician slot, get the signed declaration, and store it. When renewal time comes around, you'll be ready and compliant. If you're shopping for a new car, check whether the model you're looking at supports ISA. With these rules coming in, ISA isn't just a nice to have anymore, it's going to be part of the norm. And if you've got an older car? There are retrofit options, though they come at a cost, but many road safety experts recommend considering them if you want to maximize safety and avoid accidental speeding. On the digital license front, log into your DVLA account now, make sure your personal information is correct, and start getting familiar with how the renewal process will work in the app. If you wait until renewal time hits, you might find yourself caught off guard by verification or upload requirements. These changes might feel like a lot at once, but taken together they show a very clear direction. The UK government is pushing for safer, smarter, more digitally managed roads. And for drivers, this isn't the kind of update you can ignore. The stakes are real. Now, of course, anytime the law changes, there's bound to be debate. Some people will say ISA undermines the idea of driving freedom. Older drivers may worry about being unfairly burdened by extra checks. But road safety advocates argue that these are long overdue. Speed kills, distractions kill, and vision-related accidents can be prevented. At the end of the day, this November isn't just another month, it's a turning point. If you drive or you're about to get behind the wheel, there's no excuse not to prepare. Changes like these don't happen every year, and when they do, being ready isn't just smart, it's essential. So what should you do right now? 3 things: update your DVLA digital profile, book your eye test if you're over 60, and sort out your in-car phone setup. And if you're car shopping, talk to dealers about ISA. Do that, and you'll be way ahead when November rolls in. That wraps up this deep dive on the 4 big driving law changes coming this November. Stay sharp, stay legal, and stay safe. If you found this useful, hit the like button, subscribe for more updates, and drop a comment if you want me to cover how these rules could affect car insurance, automated vehicles, or anything else on UK roads. Thanks for watching. Drive well. That's it for today's update. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an important UK update, whether it's pensions, laws, or practical tips for life on the road. Drop a comment below if you want me to cover more changes that could affect your driving, finances, or everyday life. Thanks for watching UK Pension Update. Stay informed, stay safe, and see you in the next video.